Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the exciting world of Google Chrome ChatGPT sidebar. This incredible feature revolutionizes how you interact with your browser by providing real-time AI assistance, making your browsing experience more seamless and efficient than ever before. You can download the sidebar as an extension to your Google Chrome browser. Let's take a closer look at what the ChatGPT sidebar can do for you. As you can see, the sidebar is a sleek, compact panel located on the side of your browser window. It's like having a personal AI assistant always at your disposal. To start a conversation, simply click on the ChatGPT icon in the sidebar. You can type your queries or even use voice inputs for a hands-free experience. The AI-powered ChatGPT will analyze your request and provide you with relevant information or suggestions in real time. With the ChatGPT sidebar, you can ask questions, get quick answers, and receive instant suggestions related to your current web page. It's perfect for research, learning, or simply getting things done more efficiently. You can translate your search results to some other language, rewrite it to a different form, or get a more explain of search results, or even get a summary on it, and many more options are there. ChatGPT sidebar also allows you to multitask efficiently. You can chat with the AI assistant while continuing to browse, research, or read articles. It's like having a knowledgeable friend right by your side as you explore the web.
Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the development of computer programs and systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, decision making, and perception. The goal of AI is to create machines that can think and act like humans, by mimicking the cognitive processes that underlie human intelligence. This involves the use of algorithms, which are sets of instructions that tell the computer what to do, and a dynamic computing environment, which provides the necessary resources and infrastructure for the algorithms to run. In essence, AI is an attempt to create intelligent machines that can learn, reason, and make decisions like humans do.
So, whether you are a student, professional, or an avid web surfer, the Google Chrome ChatGPT sidebar is your gateway to enhance productivity and knowledge. It's an intelligent, seamless integration of AI assistant right into your browsing experience. So friends, try out the ChatGPT sidebar in Google Chrome today and experience a whole new level of browsing convenience. Stay connected, stay informed, and let AI be your trusted companion on the web. Happy browsing!